Welcome to Tai Chi for Mobility. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in and breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a soft rain. Opening the door. The start of the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up. Coming up the center, rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead. The hands spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up and over, the fingertips point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away, the downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree. Rounding out the arms, both arms drift over to the side and down, and then floating up to shoulder height. Switching sides. From here, this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level, and then back down. Same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes right out in front, the other hand down by the hip. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. Touching down or lifting up, as always, meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. One more time on this side, the rooster stands on one leg. And then from here, the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height. And then this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level. And then back down. Same side, just the arms at first. Once again, taking your time. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. And it's okay to wobble, just letting go of judgment the best you can. Bringing curiosity instead. One more time, the rooster stands on one leg. And then circle the arms all the way around in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. The backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the corner. The front knee bends, the arms open. And the front knee begins to straighten as you shift back. Cross the wrists, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. We call this the butterfly. Hinging from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Cross the wrists and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings, cross the wrists, and open. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the other corner. Shift forward as the arms open, the front knee bends. Then shifting back, the wrists cross. Hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists, shift forward, and open, the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long, and breathing. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Cross the wrists, and open. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, and once again, floating up to shoulder height, and then switching sides. And then this time, the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. You're making nice, gentle brush strokes. One more time. This time the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave, the chin circles. But just coming up as much as you can comfortably, just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time, chin circles. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up to shoulder height, palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float all the way up and over, the chin circles. Opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, creating freedom of movement. One more time, chin circles. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. You know I love the hugs. Then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. And then from here, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can, comfortably. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, and then this time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this video is part of our free 7-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll see you in the next video.